I published few of the videos earlier in this channel covering multiple options using which you will be able to generate AI images, and that too absolutely for free. There I mentioned Meta.ai. Now Meta recently revamped their AI interface and they added multiple different additional features which are worth exploring. In this video, I'll show you how can you use all new Meta.ai from your web browser and what are the additional capabilities they brought in so that we can use it to generate AI images, and that too absolutely for free, and which is also unlimited. So let me show you in this video how can you use new version of Meta.ai. So what I'll do, currently you can see I'm in Google homepage. I'll just type Meta.ai. This is as simple as that, and there you'll be able to see this type of interface. Now, if you have not used Meta.ai earlier, then it may prompt you to log in. You can use your Facebook or Insta credentials to log in. It will allow you to log in directly in this console. Now, in the heart of this page, this is the area you can write your prompt. But in this video, I'll mainly show you the options whatever are available to generate AI images. For that, you need to click on Imagine. If you click on that, then you'll be getting one option. This was not available earlier. If you click on this drop down, you will be able to select between three different sizes. Aspect ratio 1:1, 9:16 and 16:9. So let me do one thing. Let me click on 16:9. Now this is the thing we have selected. You can see there are already, it's showing some of the example prompt. If you click on any of them, it will start generating images using this prompt only. So I selected one of the prompt, and currently you can see it's generating 4 different images. Meta always does it. It generates 4 different versions, and based on that you will be able to choose from. Now you can see this is the image it generated. If I click on that, you will be able to see this is the quality. You have now options to fine tune your images. Let me show you how can you do it. If I click on back, then in the left pane, you will be able to see multiple different styles. There are multiple different things. Doodle, analog, 8-bit, 3D, everything. All those things are there. If you scroll down, then you will be able to see multiple different options are there. Below that, there are moods. If you click on that, then you will be able to select a specific mood using which this particular image needs to be generated. Then lighting, from where the light is coming, how you want, bright, dark, neon, everything is there. And last option is colors. You will be able to select which type of color you are looking for. Now once you click on any of the option, it will regenerate the image for you. Now let me do one thing. I'll close this particular option. I'll go to a new chat and I'll use a separate prompt so that you will be able to understand difference between these different options very clearly. If I click on it and then I paste one prompt here, using this prompt, I'm trying to generate thumbnail of any of my YouTube videos. Let me click on this particular icon so that it will start generating the image for me. It will generate 4 different options. You can see again it is generating those 4 options, and once this is ready, now you can see it generated this content. Now this is the first time it generated. Now if I come here and I click on realistic, then you can see it again started generating 4 different images again, and now you can see it generated these options. One very good thing is once it generated these 4 new options, old options are still available. If you click on that, those will come back. If you come here, you will be also able to see. So you can understand every time whenever you will be changing the style, it will regenerate for you and you can choose any of the image from there. If I now come here and click on moods, and there if I just click on classical, then you can see another version of this image is getting generated. So this is excellent. None of the free AI image generation tool offers this kind of fine-tuning options. And once this is generated, you will be able to select on this particular image. There you'll be able to download that particular image. If you are happy with that image, you'll be able to copy it in the clipboard. You can also come to this 3 dot and you will be able to give your responses or feedback. Now before I show you the next thing, a very small announcement. My ChatGPT course is now available on Skillshare. I have added one link in the description below. Using that, you will be able to enroll for a free trial. During this trial period, you will be able to check out a couple of courses which I published there for free. Also, you will be able to watch multiple different other courses published by top-notch instructors around the world. So you can check that. If you're liking the platform, you can continue, or else you can cancel within that trial period as per your requirement. Now, if I come back here and show you another thing from colors, if I come down and I click on pastel, then let's see how it generates, and after that I'll show you a very important thing. Now it generated another version of all these 4 images. One very good option is there. If you click on animate, then it will animate your image. Let me click on that, and then you'll be able to understand what I'm talking about. Just using a single click, you can animate any of the image. You can see now this image has been animated. While this can be improved and you can try multiple different times, but this is the way you will be able to animate any of the images. And if you come to this download button, then you will be able to download this file as an MP4 file. You can see it downloaded as MP4. This is one very good thing. Earlier also Meta.ai, this particular option was available to animate, but now it's improved its image generation capabilities. And this kind of fine-tuning options are available, and that too absolutely for free. Now let me show you another thing here. Whenever you are selecting any of the style from here, you will be able to see this hamburger menu, right? If you click on that, you will be able to see the prompt details. You gave one basic prompt in the beginning, right? But whenever you are clicking on mode classical, that what are the different thing it's bringing in, that specific prompt is mentioned here. So if you want to change anything, you can copy this prompt and you can add it in your main prompt to get that desired result. So that kind of flexibility is available within Meta.ai now. Similar way, whenever you are adding any of the style or mode or colors, those are getting added here. If you don't want any of those parameters, you can just click on this particular cross and it will regenerate the image without that particular parameter. So you can see this is the quality of image it's generating, and if I just download this image, you can see it downloaded as a JPEG. Earlier it was downloading as MP4 when we animated that image and we downloaded. So this is the way you will be able to generate images, and very quickly you will be able to fine-tune your image generation. Let me show you another thing. If I now go to this home page and there I click on home, now again this is the landing page. If I come here, I just minimize this thing. Earlier I specifically kept this particular zoomed version so that I can show you without any distraction. Now there is one option that is discover. It will show you what other people are generating using Meta.ai, and this is part of the Facebook feed only, right? So if you see this particular image someone generated, if you click on that, you will be able to see that particular image. You will be able to see the prompt which was used and how someone animated it, how generated, everything you will be able to see from here. You will be also able to leave a feedback here, clicking on the like sign and other things. This is another new thing Meta introduced, where you will be able to see creation of others also if you are looking for any kind of inspiration. Let me click on this cross and I'll be able to come back to this home page. So these are the two things I thought of showing in this particular video so that you will be able to understand how can you use new version of Meta.ai to generate all AI images, and that too absolutely for free. So hopefully this tool will be helpful for you and you will be able to make use of it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below. If you also have any question and you want to talk to me directly, I have added another link in the description below. That is the link of fan call application. Using that, you will be able to block my calendar and you will be able to talk to me directly. If you have any such requirement, you can also check out that link. Earlier, I published another video where I mentioned multiple different free options using which you will be able to generate AI images, and that too absolutely for free. Like Meta.ai, I shown a few of the other options also. If you want to know more about it, check out this video where I covered all those options.